Hey everybody, Game Time here, and today we're going to do a little retail action. 2019 Diamond Kings. I have one blaster box and two of the rack packs. There's 20 cards. It says one exclusive red frame parallel per pack. I don't know if they guarantee anything other than that. Maybe it's just that and some base cards. I certainly hope not. The little marketing ploy with this one is blaster exclusive 5-card bonus pack, including blue frame, hollow gold, and artist proof blue parallels. So I really like Diamond Kings, so I definitely wanted to check out the retail stuff. Let's see what we have. I guess you could probably get short prints and whatnot in here too. Not 100% sure, but I can't see why not. So we'll check the backs to see the frames. Here's a Juan Soto Squires. Oops, sorry, I'm holding it way high. I did not get one of these in the hobby box. Team Heroes Acuna. Nice. Team Hero Hall of Fame Heroes Honus Wagner. Here is Christian Yelich, Masters of the Game. And Team Heroes Bumgarner. Red frame, Kevin Newman, rookie. Arenado turned backwards, so this might be a... There are short prints and then there are variations. This might be a variation. The short prints, the true short prints, have a gray frame instead of brown. There's Acuna. Let's see if we have any other. Those are all brown. Brown. So there's actually a lot of stuff in this pack, which is very good. I'm giving you something for your money. Let's see what kind of goodies are in pack number 2. Alright. Rhys Hoskins, Goldie, Clemente, Josh James rookie, Satchel Paige, Brandon Lowe, another one of these, Squires, Forrest Whitley. Team Heroes, Joey Votto. This is different. Shoeless Joe, Diamond Kings Collection. Master of the Game, Jose Ramirez. Team Heroes, Arenado. Red frame, Erskine. Red frame, Ponce de Leon. No, it's not, but that's turned backwards, so I guess that's a variation. I'll check. And McNeil, Tris Speaker, Dakota Hudson, Pee Wee Reese, Kopech, and Cochran all seem to be regular backs. Okay. So let me leave that on the top. Alright, let's get into this blaster box and check out this exclusive bonus pack. This has 6 packs in the box. I assume that includes the bonus pack, I think. So I see our little bonus pack is silver. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there's 7. So this is the actual bonus pack is in addition to the regular 6 packs. All right, Knicks, Chipper Jones, Master of the Game, Arenado, Roger Maris, Kevin Newman. Do a quick short print check. Freeman, Joe Wood, Aaron Nola, Team Heroes, Jimmy Fox, Cedric Mullins, all brown frame. Shaw, crowning moment, Randy Johnson, turned backwards. And then a Juan Soto, what is this, the DK 205 series, gold frame. That's a nice card. It's a good pack. Andujar, Bowers, Shaw. Ty Cobb, Crawford, Squires, Sean Newcomb, Lou Gehrig, Matt Carpenter. Blowing everywhere. Sorry, I got my fan on. It's hot in here today. It was like freezing here this morning, and then I turned the heat on and made it too hot. So now I had to turn the fan on. Acuna, Perez, a Team Heroes, Aaron Judge, Keller, and Nola. Last regular pack. Severino, Bob Gibson turned around backwards, so that's probably a variation. Joe Jackson, Diamond Kings collection. So there's 4 of those. Kramer and Babe Ruth. And these are all brown backs. I'll leave this on top because I think this is a variation. Now let's check out this bonus pack. Alright, Beltry Team Heroes. This card is unfortunately beat to hell and back. It has damage here and here, and that is a shame because this card is trash. Team Heroes Mel Ott. Again, it has kind of a, not necessarily a ding corner, but a little something there, and again a little dent there, so that stinks. Aaron Nola and Kyle Tucker. What did they call these? What frame? Blue. And the last card is an artist proof Cabrera, which looks to be in good shape. So that's a little disappointing. Of the bonus pack, 2 of the cards are pretty much worthless. But you can see the difference, why they're called hollow. See it there. So I would really be digging this if it wasn't for this. This stinks. But anyways, overall, I mean, there's a lot of value in the rack packs, which you definitely can't always say. And the and the blaster box, like an insert variation, at least 1 per pack, and then the bonus pack. I mean, to me, you can't go wrong with this. I think Panini stepped up their game a little bit with the Diamond Kings this year. It definitely seems better than last year to me. Let me know, comment below, let me know what you think. Do you like it better this year, or am I just in love with it because it's new, you know? And I tend to do that, so maybe it's that. Let me know, comment below. Everybody take care, and I'll have some more stuff for you soon.